First this evening, in response to the drought of 2015, scores of banana farmers in St. Mary and Portland received well-needed fertilizer and suckers of the banana variety called the Fear. Now, the farmers may have gotten higher yields, but there are no buyers. We journey to the Rio Grande Valley in Portland, where banana farmers are desperate for help. Green gold. It's how bananas are referred to in the industry. But in the case of farmers in the Rio Grande Valley in Portland, no one wants to purchase or consume the precious produce. Specifically, farmers who've been growing the Fear variety of the fruit.
See it on tree right now. You go past Simon Valley, you see it. You got Moortown, you got Carnal Barracks, Millbank, Comfort Castle, Bellevue, Fellowship, Barrydale, Cooper's Hill. Everybody have it. Nanchos, Reach, all them places have it in some round in Portland, so we can't get it to sell.
The variety was developed in Honduras. Experts say it produces a high yield, production costs are low, and it's resistant to the black sigatoka disease. This banana type is also best boiled and used for making banana chips. A good sell, but here's the challenge.
I don't know where this Fear banana come from, car. It not taste good.
This was the cry of most of the farmers we spoke with. Many have had to deal with hurricanes, drought and disease in the past. There was an expectation that Fear would have brought new life to the industry. But for farmers in the Rio Grande Valley, it has only been misery.
We have to just left them, make them full and just rotten up on the tree. So we need some solution to that.
I don't have no money to spend. I have to just set them a truggy cow. Normally, in our first place, they used to buy one. No, nobody now look for it.
Banana farmer Livingston Grant says selling to vendors is not the only problem.
The man who buy the banana to fry the chips, which is the Fear banana they buy from we, they say it's a problem. When they fry it, they say it's saggy. It don't have any taste, right? Even the animals in the farm don't eat it, like the mongoose, rat. Only thing pitch on it is fly.
And so we put the issue to one of the largest producers of banana-based products, Jamaica Producers Group.
What we found is that the solution resides in growing a flexible banana, one that can be sold as green and as ripe, and also to have opportunities to add value to the bananas. And of course, we do banana bread, for example.
The Banana Board has been spearheading a program among farmers for the production, use, and consumption of the Fear bananas. Recently, the board announced that it will be unveiling a comprehensive marketing program for the fruit. General Manager Janet Coney explained some of the issues.
There was a major factory that also closed, but they are not taking from other. The factory is not operating. They have moved overseas, and the chips are coming from overseas to Jamaica.
Which factory is that?
The Jamaica Producers factories. What has happened is unfortunate, but the product itself, the crop itself, is still a good crop for value added. It does have issues, but it's not issues that are insurmountable or issues that warrants you saying, scrap it completely and give me back the Cavendish.
In the meantime, farmers in the Rio Grande Valley continue to contemplate their future.
Right now, I chain back my farm in a one cow pass and try to get some red pole put in because it makes no sense planting those bananas in the market for them.